we do got a check engine light that just came on this thing actually, but just want to give y'all a quick walk around, nighttime, a little nighttime drive. I'm gonna do much talking in this one, but yeah, the check engine light came on, so not sure what's going on, but we should be okay. Go get in. Y'all heard the exhaust though, but this thing sounds amazing, I will say. You see there, we got a check engine light. Not sure why, but I'll contact Ram in the morning about it. But let's go ahead and get some heat in here. Got the heated steering wheel. They do get very hot, so I don't recommend you turn them on high. Go ahead and get this up. Get my fan speed. We'll put about 2 on there, face only. Got our CarPlay up. Let the RPM settle, but I'm very curious what that check light is. Here we go. See if the truck is driving any different, but
turn right, then turn right. Turn right.
I will tell you though, this thing sounds amazing as you heard it. Oh my goodness.
In 300 feet, turn left, then turn right on South General Bruce Drive. Turn left, then turn right on South General Bruce Drive. Turn right on South General Bruce Drive.
Little light throttle right there, about 45%. Open up the sunroof to get more light in here.
In 0.2 miles, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
Let's go one more actually. Oh, everybody just standing in one spot. I'm telling you, sometimes people don't think for themselves, bro.
Turn left on State Highway 36 West, Loop 363 West, Southwest HK Dodge and Loop. In half a mile, stay to the left to State Highway 36 West, Loop 363 West. In 3/4 of a mile, exit right to State Highway 53, State Highway 36 toward Temple, Gainesville. In 0.2 miles, exit right. In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Guy Drive, then turn right on Salisbury Drive. Turn left on Guy Drive, then turn right on Salisbury Drive.
Turn this fan speed down, gets pretty hot and pretty quick. Love the
right on
automatic.
Salisbury Drive.
Love the automatic high beams. A little acceleration right here. Gosh, this exhaust sounds so good on this truck. But man, this truck sounds so good. I'm wondering if that's what the check engine light is up for. It is an aftermarket exhaust on this truck, so could be anything, you know. But it's driving fine. I'm trying not to beat on anything, but it's riding pretty smooth. I'm gonna pull over. Oh, yeah, it's a pretty lit area. Let's pull over right here really quick. See if I can just get a shot of this thing. Oh yeah, right here. Perfect. Let's see. Just pull over right here. And then I need to get my butt in the, got the rotary dial. Okay. Let me show y'all. Just get a quick. Oh, here we go. This truck is freaking sick, I will tell you that. Looks dang good, I will say. It's a good looking truck. Good looking truck. This thing sounds amazing. It really does. See what it looks like with the hazard on. Oh, the whole beam is running. Yeah. Yeah. One thing about Ram, they make some good looking trucks. I will give them that. But anyway, guys, I just want to share all that really quick. Nighttime drive. I'm about to head to the house, but it's all, guys. Your boy Q. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.